Hello, I am Zach Mansour. I'm a senior in electrical engineering. I'm doing the mobile renewable power station. For this class, I'm focusing solely on the mount. So here's my table where I'm working. So far, I have gotten the servos to work. I figure I'll only need 2 of them, maybe a third for the 2 for the y-axis and 1 for the x-axis. I thought I would prototype it in cardboard. However, the weight of the solar panels is proving difficult. So I may skip this step and go straight towards refurbishing a lamp for the structure of my car mount. The Arduino and such would fit in the bottom. A servo would be at this junction and one at the top, which would rotate to follow the sun. Here's my GPS module. This I am having a bit of trouble working with the tiny GPS plus library that comes with this. That comes referred with the Arduino reference working with GPS modules. So on the Arduino board, I have it set up right now as an ohm meter to track the photoresistor I'm placing around the solar panel board. So the servo is going to react from inputs. The x-axis will react according to the GPS module, and the y-axis will react according to the light-dependent photoresistor. So the servo immediately maneuvering the top panel will be fed from the photoresistors on each corner, whereas the bottom panel is going to be controlled by one servo motor, and that will be controlled by the Arduino microcontroller, being fed inputs from the GPS module and the real-time clock, which is right here. So what I need to do is, now that I have each individual component of my circuit, I need to get measurements of this lamp to figure out how much wires I need to braid together to get the length correct. I need to make sure that the weight of the circuit and the parts of the lamp can be moved by these servos. If not, I can add additional servos to it. So far, I have been getting inputs from the tiny GPS++ library and the real-time clock. Those aren't the issues. Controlling the servos aren't the issues. The main issue is getting the structure of the mount correct. And really only now that I know the weight of the circuit and its components, now that I've figured that out and decided on it, can I go backwards and check to make sure these servos, I have enough, will be able to move this weight. Because of price concerns, I can't buy any more parts, like any more solar panels or motors. So I'm going to try to make do with what I have. The electrical parts I've done piecemeal. They've worked so far. I take them apart because I was trying to get a prototype of the structure together. I was trying to figure out lengths and measurements. It just wasn't going to work with cardboard. This is too heavy. So you can see I have the glue and everything. So between now and the final due date of the final demonstration, I'm going to focus on taking this apart, removing most of the metal and keeping the plastic. and using that as the mount for this solar panel and have it controlled by the Arduino using servos.